How to use Google Trends to find products to sell. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Google Trends to find products to sell. Well, what is Google Trends? Google Trends is a free tool that shows the popularity of search queries over time. It helps you identify what people are interested in right now, making it perfect for finding hot products. Well, what you can do is first you want to head into trends.google.com, as you can see here on the screen. In the search bar, enter a product or category you are interested in. So what are you interested in? You can look into it. So suppose you want to sell a particular t-shirt with print of a particular celebrity, or you want to sell in jersey of a certain country. So you can search in Nepal Cricket Jersey right here, or also you can click the trending searches section for real-time data on what's popular here. So you can see here it says doesn't have enough data to show here, so I'll just head back here and I'll just explore it. So you can see I'm exploring in my region for top queries here, and you can see there are search topics for top ones as well. Now once you do so, you can look at the graph by tapping on it and opening it up. So you can see explore option there, and you can look at the graph there. A steady increase or spikes can indicate growing demand. You can also filter by location to see regional trends as well. So you can see the regional trends right here. Now, using Google Trends is a powerful way to stay ahead in the market. Experiment with different keywords to find the best products. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.